to my YouTube channel. I'm here to explain you the next source, that is source 3. It's there in the page number 5, in which different forms of marriages have been described. Here are the first, fourth, fifth and sixth forms of marriages from Manusmriti. There are 8 types of marriages have been described in Manusmriti. What is Manusmriti? Manusmriti हिंदू धर्म का एक प्राचीन धर्म शास्त्र है. स्मृति मीन्स मेमोरी. तो मनु ऋषि के द्वारा इसकी रचना की गई थी, जिसके अनुसार 5 प्रकार के विवाह, 8 types of marriages have been described. Amongst them, ब्रह्म विवाह, दैव विवाह, आर्ष विवाह, प्रजापत्य विवाह, असुर विवाह, गंधर्व विवाह are famous. And out of that, here the first form, the gift of a daughter after dressing her in costly clothes and honoring her with presents of jewels to a man learned in the Veda, whom the father himself invites. Father himself invites and gives the daughter in the hands of a person whom he has selected. कन्या का दान बहुमूल्य वस्त्रों और अलंकारों से विभूषित कर उसे वेदज्ञ वर को दान किया जाए, जिसे पिता ने स्वयं आमंत्रित किया है. Father selected and invited. Okay, so this is the first form of the marriage. Fourth form of the marriage explained in Manusmriti, the gift of a daughter by the father after he has addressed the couple with the text, "May both of you perform your duties together," and has shown honor to the bridegroom. Father here in fourth type of marriage, पिता वर वधू युगल को कहकर संबोधित करता है, addresses the couple. May you both, तुम साथ मिलकर अपने ड्यूटीज को परफॉर्म करो, अपने दायित्वों की पूर्ति करो. एंड हैज शोन ऑनर टू द ब्राइडग्रूम, एंड शोज ऑनर टू द ब्राइडग्रूम. वर की तरफ अपना सम्मान व्यक्त करते हैं क्योंकि उन्होंने अपनी कन्या का दान उनको दिया है. फिफ्थ टाइप ऑफ मैरिज विच इज डिस्क्राइब्ड हियर, व्हेन द ब्राइडग्रूम रिसीव्स अ मेडन, जब वर को वधु की प्राप्ति होती है तब, after having give as much wealth as he can afford to the kinsmen, जब वो अपनी क्षमता के अनुसार, इच्छा के अनुसार अपने अपने जो कबीले के लोग हैं उनको और खुद वधु को पैसा, धन एंड ऑनर, पैसा और धन का मतलब है ऑनर देते हैं. एंड टू द ब्राइड herself according to his own will, अपनी इच्छा के अनुसार उनका सम्मान करते हैं. Now the fifth type of marriage, the voluntary union of a maiden and her lover, which springs from desire. And sixth type of marriage is स्त्री और पुरुष के बीच अपनी इच्छा से विवाह करना, that is nowadays we call it a love marriage. So these 4 types of marriages have been described here. Now questions and answers. What is endogamy? Endogamy refers to the marriage within a unite. This could be a kin group, caste or group living in the same locality. What do you mean by polyandry? That is, polyandry is a practice of a woman having several husbands. What do you mean by gotra? Two rule about gotras were particularly important. Women were expected to give up their father's gotra and adopt that of their husbands on marriage, and member of the same gotra could not marry. 2 रूल हैं उसमें. एक, फादर जो हैं उनके गोत्र का त्याग करना पड़ता है जब विवाह होता है, शादी होती है. एंड the lady, the maiden, the woman has to adopt the gotra of husband. So it is a subcaste. What are the Dharma Shastras and Dharma Sutras and the Dharma Shastras? The Dharma Sutras and the Dharma Shastras, recognized as many as 8 forms of marriages These, the first four, were consideration as good, while the remaining were condemned. It is possible that these were practiced by those who did not accept Brahminical norms. Apart from this, I would like to say that Dharma Sutras were compiled in the Dharma Shastras. Dharma Shastras were the books like Manu Smriti I have explained. Okay, so Dharma Shastras were the complete compilation of the Dharma Sutras, and Dharma Sutras were the rules how to run the society. Okay, so this was all about this particular source. Thank you.